Create this Photoshop-like ad poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size and take the size 1080 by 1080 pixels. First, change the background color to greenish. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box for all the resources. Upload your product image. Remove the background and crop extra areas. Go to Edit and apply the Holly filter. Duplicate the image. Flip it vertically and set under the image by keeping a little spacing between these. Go to the elements and add a green lemon file from the Photos section. Go to Edit and apply the fresco filter. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this and flip it vertically. Again, duplicate this and set it in the bottom left corner by rotating it. Go to the elements and add a green leaf. Duplicate this. Duplicate it and do the same thing as before, like product image and lemon. Select these three elements and reduce the transparency to 20. Go to Position and drag the product image above all. Add a lemon slice now. Remove the background. Go to Edit and apply the fresco filter. Then make it 60% blur. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this. Go to the elements and add a water splash. Change the color to white and go to Edit to increase the brightness to 100. Rotate it and adjust the size. Duplicate it and set it the same alignment. Go to Position and drag the product image above all, and both splash under all the elements. Add a shadow under the product image. Go to Position and drag it under the product. Add one more shadow under the leaf. Go to Position and drag it under the leaf. Change the transparency to 60. Add a white light. Rotate it and faux to edit to increase the temperature to around 40. Now add this shadow. Go to Position and drag this shadow under all. Adjust the size. Again, go to Position and drag the corner light under all. Add a text to write a short description of the product if needed, and change the color to white and font to Poppins. Finally, upscale your product image from the Edit section if needed. Here is the final version. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check the description box for this design template. Thanks for watching.